this is Amina Sheikh here, and with me today I have Gur Fateh, who is all set to enjoy Mini Gents Holy Bash. So join me as I welcome him only on Zoom. Lovely to have you, Gur Fateh. How excited are you?
I'm good, I'm great. Happy Holi.
Yeah, and I could see that you have become the internet sensation, the crush of the year. How does it feel?
I hope to become a lot more, but it feels good.
Are you feeling good that the work is getting recognized? People are really loving the way you're at.
100%. But there's a lot more in the pipeline, so I can't wait for that.
Yeah. So how is otherwise, industry treating you right now? Because, you're a new face in the cloud. Is it very tough on you, or it's like slight good on you?
I think it's tough for everyone now, but today is Holi, so let's just have fun.
And I have to ask you before I let you go, Holi celebrations ke normally what do you do basically, and what are your memories around it?
I'm not very big on Holi, but like in Punjab, back in the day we used to play a lot as kids. But I think every year it's usually Vineet sir's party.
Yeah. And any specific memory you have at Vineet sir's party which has been very good for you?
Just that I walk in clean and then it takes me a long time to clean myself after.
Yeah.
So I can't wait.
But lovely chatting with you, and thank you so much for your lovely time. With me today I have Gayatri Bharadwaj. She needs no introduction, I must say that, right? Because काफी vibrant colors पहने हैं उन्होंने, तो उसके बाद तो introduction की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ती है. But tell me one thing, how Holi has been over the years for you?
I think Holi in Mumbai has especially been all about Vineet Jain's Holi parties, because I've been coming here for 6 years straight. This is my 6th year, back to back, and no Holi party is as good as this one. So I'm really excited to celebrate it with all of my friends and family. They become my family in this city that I call home now. So yeah, it's amazing.
Any of your craziest Holi, memory you have with you?
क्रेजी होली मेमोरी. अच्छा, जब मैं छोटी थी ना, तो मैं हमेशा बीमार होने का नाटक करती थी. बिकॉज आई यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज बी लाइक, यार मुझे कलर नहीं लगवाना, मुझे भीगना नहीं है. व्हेन आई वाज अ लिटिल किड आई यूज्ड टू प्रिटेंड टू फॉल सिक ऑन होली, बिकॉज मुझे डर लगता था जब बड़े बच्चे आके छोटे बच्चों पे होली कलर लगा के चले जाते थे. सो आई रिमेंबर बीइंग दैट लिटिल गूफी किड एंड फिगरिंग इट आउट फॉर माई सेल्फ. सो नाउ एज एन अडल्ट, बिकॉज आई हैव ऑटोनॉमी, आई लव होली.
And we all love the vibe of Holi. वो कलर का जो जोश रहता है वो एक अलग रहता है, I must say that. But we always tend to make good memories with the family members also, when we are with them, we cherish those moments with them. Such memories if we could talk about.
My family loves to celebrate Holi, especially Holi ka Dahan जो एक रात पहले होता है. So I love celebrating Holi with my family. My mother used to wake up in the morning, हम बच्चों को उठा के फटाफट सनस्क्रीन लगा के, बालों में तेल लगा के, she will जाओ बच्चों खेलो. So that memory of spending time with my mom has always been very close to me.
We always talk about our crushes, when it comes to Holi. उनके साथ में celebrate करने का एक मजा अलग आता है, and कलर लगाना, थोड़ा सा नखरे करना. Any Bollywood celebrity you have been crushing on जिनके साथ में तुम्हें Holi celebrate करनी है?
Bollywood celebrity? Yeah. There are lots. Oh my god, who can I say? Who's you're putting me on the spot here. Who do I have a crush on? I think somebody who I find really attractive and good looking would be Gur Fateh. And he's someone who carries like such a aura about himself, and he's a good actor. He's an up and coming actor, and I hope to see him do really well in the industry. So yeah.
लगता है गायत्री की दुआ कबूल हो गई, बिकॉज गुरफतेह जस्ट थोड़े टाइम पहले यहाँ पर थे, एंड इज जस्ट देयर, एंड शी मे बी गेटिंग अ चांस टू सेलिब्रेट विद हिम. बट बिफोर आई लेट यू गो, व्हाट आर अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स यू आर फोकसिंग ऑन?
I'm currently focusing on my South project, which is going to be a crazy film called Cult. It's with Vishwak Sen, and I'm going to start shooting for it very, very soon.
Lovely chatting with you, and thank you so much for your lovely time, and all the very best.
Lovely seeing you as always.
As always. मेरे साथ में आज एक special guest है, रोमान शॉल. He needs no introduction always because उनकी personality ही काफी कुछ बात कर लेती है. So join me as I welcome him only on Zoom. Lovely to have you, और I could see that आपका काम आजकल काफी बोल बाल कर रहा है. How does it feel like finally after such a long, struggle, in terms of, work and all, finally you have got it due?
I mean, it always feels good, Kamal. Like you said, it's been a long struggle, and then your work being recognized in such a scale, and thank you viewers for that. So अच्छा लग रहा है, and that's why I'm here partying.
And I have to ask you this, Roman, why you chose this, this beat for yourself?
I mean, I never thought I'll get into acting, because I started off as a software engineer, got into modeling, and then somehow I just fell into acting. So I think God had plans for me, and I just followed.
What are your Holi memories? Because I'm sure that you have a lot of Holi memories.
I actually don't because I've never been a holy person. I've always been very sensitive of my skin. तो मुझे बचपन से डर था कि यार कलर लगाएंगे तो गलत हो जाएगा. So I think this is one of my first holy experiences, and I'm glad that I'm celebrating it with you guys.
And we love that, but we have to ask you this question that Touchwood, you are a very good friend with Sushmita Sen, and she's been a part of your journey also. If you had to recollect, one of your fondest memories with her, wherein she has gotten into her childish mode, which one it has been and why?
See, the best thing about Sush is that she's very childlike and she's so mature at the same time. So every day is like seeing those sides of her. When she's with her kids, you see the child out of her. When she's with me, a lot of times you see the child in her. But that's when I say that, एक बच्चे वाली जो क्वालिटी एक मैच्योर इंसान में होती है वो सबसे खूबसूरत होती है. And she has that.
Wow, and lovely. Before I let you go, I have to ask you, इसके बाद में और कौन से upcoming projects पर आप focus कर रहे हैं?
Of course, there are a couple of projects in the pipeline, like very good one. I'm very excited, and I hope you'll get to know about them soon.
Oh wow, you're not revealing anything to me right now.
Not yet. See, that's a mystery, right? That's what people like. So keep be mysterious.
Thank you so much.